guys, we're in the kitchen. Today, mommy is going to be cooking pepperoni pretzels. Emmi is sitting in her seat looking so cute. Reborn baby girl, love mommy, period. All right, guys.
So I had already pre-made the dough. I will leave the link to the recipe below, so be sure to check the caption under this video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe and share. So right now I'm cutting my dough into even pieces the best I can. This pretzel recipe is one of my favorites, and I have been making this at least once a week. I'm going to be putting pepperonis on them. I'm really excited. This is my first time trying the pepperoni pretzels. So what I am doing now, I'm grabbing some flour, putting it in the bowl, and I'm going to dip my hands in the flour just so it'll make it easier to handle the dough. Now I am forming my dough to a long stick kind of like thing. Make sure that your hands are covered in flour. It'll make it so much easier. I'm just rolling it, and it's going to turn out to be like a long stick. You want to make sure that as you are rolling it, that it is even. It doesn't need to be super thin, but you want to make sure it's even so that when you put it together, it is easy for you. You can't really see it right now, but I will show you. I'm rolling it right now into a heart and then bringing the ends down into a twist and meeting it at the bottom with a pinch. Now I'm just going to continue a little faster. Now for this next part, this is the part where you're going to need water and baking soda. Again, the recipe is in the description. And you're going to dip the pretzel really fast into the solution, and then you're going to quickly dry it. After you dry it, you are going to put the pretzel back on the pan so that it's ready to bake. If you are putting pepperonis on your pretzel, you can put the pepperonis on after you dip it in the solution, and then it'll be ready to go in the oven. Do not forget to pull out the oven racks with the oven mitt so that you don't burn yourself like I did yesterday. And then bam, you have some pepperoni pretzels with butter sauce. Guys, this was so delicious. Emmy and I enjoyed it. See you next time.